Hello, my name is Nefta Votsi. I'm a landscape architect and landscape ecologist, and I work at the National Observatory of Athens. So nature-based solutions, we can say that is the latest trend in ecology for starters. And it's actually the idea of restoring, protecting nature through nature, which is also a cost and time effective method. This is why nature-based solutions have been adopted by several other disciplines and are actually in trend right now at the environmental sciences in general. For instance, a nature-based solution in a city that lacks of green would be to implement roof gardens. So, going back to the ARSINOE project, in the case study of Athens, we will focus at the Adrian aqueduct, and we will identify the hotspots that are really problematic areas as far as the heat waves are concerned, the air pollution is concerned, the climatic conditions are not the right ones. So taking all this into account, we will identify the specific hotspots that the nature-based solutions should be applied. And according to the local conditions, because NBS are really implemented at the local scale. Meaning we can provide in a site that is actually now full of grey infrastructures, we can turn it into a site of blue and green infrastructures, taking into account that we will have water supply for being able to develop a blue infrastructure in this site. And in this way we have all the benefits, cooling, decreasing of air pollution, making a place comfortable and a place of recreation for the citizens. And if you combine this with the aqueduct, that it has an archaeological cultural value, you create a perfect environment in the center of the city.